Alrighty, how's it going, guys? So I'm in my 91 Civic right now. The tachometer doesn't have the RPMs on it, which is very strange. I don't know why they did that, but they done did it. Right here, I have a 1991 CRX tachometer that does have the RPMs on it. So today I'm going to try to swap in this one with this one. Make sure that you have the right years. I think 88 and 89, it's more square, and the 90-91s, they're more rounded in the corners. So make sure you get the right tach for your car year. On the very top here, there's gonna be two covers you gotta pop out. What you can do with a screwdriver or anything like that. Send them flat, don't damage them. Then on the top there's two screws. On the bottom right here, there's two more screws. Once you unscrew that, this main housing piece should just come out. So now once you get it all loose and it's all wiggly, there's clips on these parts here. Like little power clips that you need to take off. So you separate a little bit. There's that little clip right there. Just gotta separate that. Alright. So I got the clip off. Now she'll do it to the other side as well. So that should be easier to get the clip. This is a little tab. So once you get those clips out, boom, the whole housing comes off as one piece. Keep those screws there, don't lose them. Put that off to the side. And now we got the main gauge cluster here. For this now, there should just be 4 more screws here, here, there, and there to take off. And be careful, because in the back you still got your speedometer cable and then your main clip here that goes with the electronics, which we can undo now because we're here. Ay, ay, ay. Got it out. That's a little bitch. These little things have a bunch of clips on them. Old plastic, so it's kind of a pain in the ass to get off. And these should just swap in because they're same round tops on them, so we should be good. The only thing we do now though is we have to take these apart so we can change out the odometers on them, because I don't want over almost 300,000 miles. My car has 66,000 miles, so we'll do that in the next clip. So here we are, the tachs are now out of the car. This is the old one, and then this is the new one. This is from a CRX, this is from the Civic. The backs look pretty much the same. Main clips, the blues are the same. Speedometer cable's the same. What we're going to do is open these shells. So on the top of the old one, there's going to be 2 clips there, then 2 clips at the bottom you got to push in to separate it. Make sure you undo the light bulb here so the cable doesn't get stuck. And on the newer one I'm going to put in, there's 3. There's 3 on the top, and there's 2 on the bottom. Same thing, make sure you undo the one light bulb there so it doesn't get connected when you rip them apart. Ooh, there's that. Alright, and then so basically from the old one, what I'm trying to do is take this off completely and swap it out with this one. Let's get to it. So I think it just unscrews in the back here. Well, there's one. There we go. Wonder. Oh no. Uh-oh. So The way this thing works is spring goes in there. The other spring probably clips on that. I don't know how the hell I did it, but there's a spring. Now I gotta put the little clip back in. There it is. Nice. Put it back together. And the only reason we have to do all that work is because this little corner here is like etched out on this one, just for the blinkers, so your indicators. Boom. There it is. Just gotta put the front glass back on. Boom. Put it back together nicely. Now to put it back in the car. All the gauges have been swapped over. The odometer's been swapped over. Now we just gotta put it back in, I guess. 3 clips, speedometer. Same spots as the other one. So does the speedometer. That's good. Alright, I swapped out the bulb. Everything's working now. So now I can put back on the hood and everything. Awesome. And there it is. Tachometer installed. Same odometer. So now it's gonna make more sense to drive, more easier for me to shift up and downshift and stuff when I need to, so I actually know what's going on with the engine and stuff. So yeah, there it is. Hopefully it helped. Probably didn't, but if it did, let me know. Thanks for watching.